Welcome to Gumber's Mathematics classes. Hope you like the video.
Warm greetings. Today we'll be solving this problem. Wheels of a car are of diameter 80 centimeter. How many complete revolution does each wheel make in 10 minutes when the car is traveling at a speed of 66 km per hour? Very first, we should take care that the units are completely different. The diameter is given in centimeters, time is given in meters, and speed is given in kilometer per hour. So very first we'll try to understand the statement, then we'll come back to the solution part. So what it is saying that the wheel of a car is of the diameter 80 centimeter, and how many revolution it will take if the car travels for 10 minutes. This we can find when we'll come to know two things basically. One is the total distance traveled by the car, and how many kilometers, how many centimeters does this wheel covers after completing one complete revolution. So how we can find this? If we'll come to know what the distance covered by the wheel in one rotation, then we can just divide the total distance by the distance covered in the one revolution to get the number of complete revolution. So here we can write that number of revolutions is equal to the total distance traveled by the car wheel in 10 minutes divided by the distance covered by the car wheel in one revolution. This we are supposed to do finally. So how we'll start for this? So very first we are supposed to find the total distance in 10 minutes. So what is given to us right now? Here we are given with the speed of the car. Speed of car is given to us as 66 kilometers per hour. It means it is covering the distance of 66 kilometers in 1 hour, which can be rewritten as 66 into 1000 to convert this in kilometer into meters, and into 100 to convert this complete distance into centimeters, and this 1 hour can be converted into 60 minutes so that we can find in 1 minute. So 1 minute, but we want the distance to be covered in 10 minutes. So we'll be multiplying it again by 10 to get the distance covered in 10 minutes. After cancellation, we'll be getting this as equal to 11,000 centimeters, or you can read it as 11 lakhs centimeters. Now this is the distance traveled by the car in 10 minutes. Now very first, after this, we are supposed to find the distance covered by the wheel in one revolution. Distance covered by the wheel in wheel in one revolution is equal to the circumference of the wheel. Here, which is equal to pi d, as diameter is given to us. Here we can write it as 22 by 7 into 80, as 80 is the diameter. Now this is in centimeter, this is also in centimeter. Therefore, the number of revolution is equal to 1. By using 1, we can say with the help of 1, 11 lakh divide by 22 upon 7 into 80, which can be written as 11,000 divide by 22 into 80. and is to be multiplied by 7. Now 1 0 cancels with 0. 22, when we'll cancel it with 22, it will be giving us 5000. When we'll divide 5000 by 8, we'll be getting here 625, and after multiplying 625 by 7, we'll be getting here as 5734, that is 4375. This is our answer. The wheel will take 4375 revolutions in 10 minutes. Thank you. If there is any doubt, you may write in the comments. Have a nice day. Bye bye.
Thanks for watching.